Hey guys, this is Harold L.R. Walking back with another video. This is part two of my AutoSec UDS Conformance Workbench, um, which is a lightweight automotive embedded software verification and validation tool for UDS conformance checking, performance checking, and diagnostic triage. For this version, I added the pandas Python library. Pandas is used for working with structured data such as CSV files, tables, and logs. In this app, pandas helps read the UDS trace file and summarize the diagnostic activity. Instead of only reviewing one request and response at a time, pandas allows the workbench to analyze the full trace and calculate useful metrics such as service usage, positive and negative response counts, negative response code distribution, did activity, and validation verdict totals. Um, this makes the tool more useful for software verification and validation because engineers often need to understand patterns across an entire test run, not just one message. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to first load a spec. And then I'm going to load the APIM security fail trace. I'm going to run that validation. And what I didn't show I don't believe I showed in my last video. Here you can, this is the short view. If you click on each step, it will give you the decoded view. But what we're going to focus on here is the added feature, which is trace metrics. Which is here. So here, I already ran the validation. So basically in the validation, the workbench compares observed ECU responses against the expected diagnostic spec. The findings table gives a quick pass or fail view, and the detail panel shows the full engineering explanation. Now focusing on the trace metrics, this is where pandas is used. The tool summarizes service usage, positive and negative responses, NRC distribution, did usage, security-related requests, programming-related requests, and verdict counts. So this is pretty much the analytics. Then I'm going to go ahead and export what we have here. And I'm going to bring that down. So here, the tool exported the verification and validation triage report and trace metrics. This helps document validation findings and share results outside the app. Ending going back to the app, bring this back up here. The purpose of this project is to show practical Python development, UDS diagnostic knowledge, embedded software validation thinking, and trace analytics using pandas. This is version 1.1, moves the workbench from decoding into performance checking, analytics, and VMV triage, which is validation and verification triage. Thank you for watching.